What you cooking?
What's up, you guys? We're back with another banger video, and today I'm actually filming a Zara unboxing video because I ordered this like a few days ago and it came in so fast. But yeah, I'm filming Zara unboxing, and this way you guys could get like some sort of idea where I get my clothes, how I dress it, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. Let's go, guys. Okay guys, so let's get right into the package. Let's unbox this package. Okay guys, so our first product is a t-shirt. Says, "Please don't wait for any instructions." It's a yellow t-shirt. I got it like super oversized because you know me, I love my oversized stuff. And this is the first product. Let's get right into the B-roll. Let's go.
Hey, come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the creek, full speed, je suis ton génie. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the creek, full speed, je suis ton génie. Speedboats, baby, and Nikki P. Waves in my ear, smoking weed. Whipping through the sand in the cheese. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. Iced out, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce shit. Ozzy had to bounce it. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop it, could you stop?
Okay guys, so let's see our second product. Oh, sick. Okay, so it's a striped shirt. It's black and white stripes with pink stripes between it. And yeah, that's our second t-shirt. It's pretty sick. I got this one in a large because it already looks pretty like oversized. But yeah, that's our second one. So get straight into the B-roll.
Hey, come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the creek, full speed, je suis ton génie. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the creek, full speed, je suis ton génie. Speedboats, baby, and Nikki P. Waves in my ear, smoking weed. Whipping through the sand in the cheese. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. Iced out, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce shit. Ozzy had to bounce it. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the creek, full speed, je suis ton génie. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci.
Okay guys, so our third product is a pair of skinny jeans. They're gray skinny jeans with rips in them and splatter print all over. White splatter print. These are super sick. Very like skinny, but I really like these. They're so sick. And yeah, hopefully they fit, and let's get right into the B-roll.
Hey, come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the creek, full speed, je suis ton génie. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the crib. Full speed, je suis ton génie. Speedboats, baby, and Nikki P. Waves in my ears, smoking weed.
Okay guys, so our fourth and actually our final product, sadly, I love Zara, but yeah, our fourth product is a pair of orange denim jeans. Well, not really jeans, they're like almost like denim joggers. It's hard to explain because at the bottom they have like what are these called, straps or pull tabs or something, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, they have these at the bottom to like, you could like, if you want to put them higher up your leg, you could like tighten them and put them higher, or you could leave them out and then go wear them super loose. And then same on the other side. And then on the back it says self-worth, because of course always self-worth. And yeah, these are actually like really sick, and these are the final products, so let's get right into the B-roll, guys.
Hey, come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the crib. Full speed, je suis ton génie. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the crib. Full speed, je suis ton génie. Speedboats, baby, and Nikki P. Waves in my ears, smoking weed. Whipping through the sand in a Jeep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby, iced out, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, shit. Ozzy had to bounce, shit. Come with me.
Okay guys, so I just realized I had actually a fifth product from Zara that I got like a few weeks ago. I haven't really unboxed it yet, but yeah, here it is. It's this graffiti Zara jean jacket. It's like such a sick jean jacket. Online it says a jean shirt, but nah, it's definitely a jean jacket. It's like really thick, but it's so sick. It has designs on the sleeves, designs on the back, designs on the front, the other sleeves, and it has rips in it. But I don't know, this jacket is so sick to me, and I really like this jacket. So yeah, let's get right into the B-roll.
Hey, come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the crib. Full speed, je suis ton génie. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the crib. Full speed, je suis ton génie. Speedboats, baby, and Nikki P. Waves in my ears, smoking weed. Whipping through the sand in a Jeep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby, iced out, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, shit. Ozzy had to bounce, it. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the crib. Full speed, je suis ton génie. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the crib. Full speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce, baby, and hit a hill. Bags full of $100 bills. Try get past your wifey, she get chill.
Okay guys, so thanks for watching my Zara unboxing video. If you guys like the clothes and the outfits, and you get to learn more about where I shop, where I get my clothes, how I style it, and yeah guys, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share as always, and see you guys in the next video. Peace!
So